Lena lived in a little yellow house with her mum, just across the street from a tiny cafe called Morning Magic. Every morning, while Lena was still dreaming, her mum was already up and working at the cafe. She opened the cafe early, before the sun even rose. When Lena woke up, her mum was already serving customers with a big smile, even though she must have been tired. One Friday evening, Lena asked.
Mom, what do you do at the cafe all day?
Her mum smiled as she packed away her apron.
Oh, just a little bit of everything.
She said.
I make coffee, bake pastries, clean, order supplies, fix things. It's a busy place.
Lena was curious. What did a little bit of everything really look like? The next morning, while her mum walked to the cafe as usual, Lena had an idea. She slipped across the street to the small restaurant opposite the cafe. She ordered a juice, sat by the window, and opened her notebook.
I'll be a secret cafe detective.
She whispered. From her seat, she had a perfect view of Mum's morning magic. Her mum was already moving fast. First, she flipped the cafe sign to open. Then, she started the coffee machine. Steam floated through the window as she poured lattes and cappuccinos with swirls of cream. She greeted every customer by name and remembered what they liked.
Almond milk for Mr. Davis, 1 sugar for Mrs. Lynn.
Soon, she brought out trays of fresh baked muffins, cinnamon rolls, and scones. Some people came just for the smell. Her mum wiped down tables, picked up crumbs, took orders, ran to the kitchen, refilled napkins, and even helped an elderly man tie his shoelace when he was struggling. Then she sat at the back corner with her laptop, tapping away. Lena could tell she was placing orders or maybe answering emails. Lena's eyes widened.
She really does everything.
She stayed until lunchtime, taking notes. Then she ran home, full of ideas.
I want to help Mom.
She said.
She works so hard and never complains. I'm going to surprise her.
She pulled out her notebook and wrote, Mission, help Mum. 1. Go grocery shopping. 2. Cook dinner. 3. Clean the house. 4. Make a surprise for Mum. She broke open her piggy bank and walked to the grocery shop. She tried to remember what her mum used to cook dinner: flour, eggs, tomatoes. She picked up what she thought was sugar. It was salt, grabbed a lemon instead of garlic, and forgot the onions completely. Oops. Back home, she tried to cook spaghetti. She cracked the eggs too hard, and they splashed all over the counter. She dropped a tomato, and it rolled under the fridge. She forgot to stir the sauce, and it burned. Still, Lena pressed on.
I can do this.
Next was cleaning the house. Lena grabbed the broom and started in the hallway. She swept a huge pile of dust right into the air. It floated back down like snow. She tried the vacuum next, but bumped it into a side table. A vase wobbled, and crash! It smashed into pieces. Panicking, Lena rushed to the bathroom for paper towels, but she knocked over a basket of laundry. Wet socks spilled everywhere. She tried to mop the kitchen floor, but slipped. A sponge flew out of the bucket and hit the wall. Now the kitchen was wet, the living room was dusty, and the hallway was covered in socks. Lena sat on the floor, hair messy and cheeks red.
Cleaning is even harder than cooking.
Still, she remembered her mission. She picked up the laundry, dried the floor, and cleaned up the vase pieces with a dustpan. She put out the least burned spaghetti on the table and folded a napkin into the shape of a heart. When the door finally opened, her mum walked in and stopped.
Lena?
She said, looking at the flour on the counter, the uneven pasta, the mop in the hallway, and Lena's tired but proud face.
I watched you today.
Lena said quickly.
From the restaurant across the street. I saw everything you do. You work so hard, Mum. I wanted to help, so I went shopping, cooked dinner, cleaned the house, but I made a lot of mistakes.
She looked down.
I tried really hard.
Her mum didn't say anything at first. Then she walked over, gently picked up the napkin heart and smiled.
You did all this just for me?
Lena nodded.
I don't know how you do it every single day. How do you keep going when it's so much?
Her mum pulled her into a hug.
I do it because I love you. Having you in my life is the best gift I could ask for.
Lena smiled.
Even when I burn the sauce and break a vase?
Especially then.
Her mum laughed. That night, they sat down together and ate lumpy pasta and laughed about the wild day. The food didn't look great, but it tasted like love, and that made it perfect.